Very warm welcome to all. Uh, for rate analysis, we discuss various quantities of estimation like cement, mortar, cement, sand, aggregate, bricks. Now today we are going to discuss quantity of steel reinforcement, okay, including bending, binding, placing in their position. Okay, so first I will discuss estimation of the material. Okay, for a layman, the person who don't know anything much more about this. Uh, how the bar is twisted, placing, etc. So there are some lemon rule which are developed as per the experience from the field. Okay. For detail, we calculate all this in bar bending schedule, but here we calculate for a lemon. Okay. How we calculate rough estimate? For rough estimation, we use some thumb rule, which are practically applicable in field also. Okay, if bar bending schedule is available, then reinforcement quantity may be estimated from the schedule. As I earlier told you, if bar bending schedule is available, we have to estimate the quantity from the schedule. What is bar bending schedule? That I already discussed in your class, and we cover all this, how we estimate bar, uh, what is development length, what is anchorage length, what is bending length. We'll discuss all. Okay. But if it is not available, then for rough estimation, reinforcement still for beam and slab are taken at the rate 1% volume of the concrete, and for column 2% volume of the concrete. The weight of the steel is cubic meter. 1 cubic meter steel having 78.5 quintal. It means 7850 kg. 1 cubic meter steel will having the weight. This is calculated from the density. Okay. Consider 10 meter continuous slab at mm. Okay. The volume of reinforcement of the concrete, we have to calculate the volume of the concrete, that is 10 into 10 into 0.1, that is 10 cubic meter. Clear? Reinforcement required by volume, that is 10 into 1 by 100, that is 1%. So that's why 0.1 cubic meter. Okay, 0.1 cubic meter means how much? 785 kg. 785 kg. You have to multiply this quantity with the rate of the steel. Okay. Now, weight of the reinforcement required, that is zero point 0.1 into 785. It means 7.85 quintal or 785 kg. 1 quintal means 100 kg. Increase the amount by 5% for the wastage. Okay. So we have to increase this 7.85 into 5 percentage. That will be give you 8.25 quintal. Okay. So we required some wires which is used for the binding. Okay. So that wire is black iron wire at the rate of 1 kg per quintal. So a quintal we will use 1 kg. So that's why for 8.25 quintal we use 8.25 kg. Clear? So what is thumb rule here? For beam and slab, we have to take 1% volume of the concrete. For column, we have to take 2% volume of the concrete. Number one. Number two, additional 5% for wastage, because we know that still the length of steel available in market is fixed. It is not available as per your requirement. So that fixed length is available in market. So that's why we have to cut, we have to overlap somewhere. Okay. So we have to, in cutting and overlapping, some amount of steel is wasted. That is up to 5%. Clear? Last, for binding 1 quintal steel, means 100 kg, we required 1 kg black iron wire. Okay. Next. Now come to the for rate analysis, that is part B. Here for rate analysis, what is the our quantity of the RCC slab? 10 cubic meter. That will be 10 cross 10 into 100 mm. So that will be 10 cubic meter. Now what is the number one material? Material is reinforcement number one. Quantity 8.25 quintal. Rate 3800, 3000 or 3800 per quintal, or we can say 38 rupees per kg. So the total weight will be 31350. Black iron wire 8.25 kg, that is 45. It will give you 371. Labor charges, blacksmith 8.25 number, 450 per day, that is 3712. Blacksmith is skilled labor which is very much skilled for the steel work. Okay, for binding, bending, placing, etc. And Majdur as a helper, that will be 8.25 number, 220 per day. What does it mean that? It means that for 1 quintal, it means for 1 quintal we required how much we required? 1 Majdur, that is 1 blacksmith and 1 Majdur. So it is clear. For 1 quintal we require 1 blacksmith and 1 Majdur. Okay. Tools, plant and sundries, that is lump sum, that is 300, 130. So the total material and labor cost is 37,378.75 Indian rupees. So add some water charges 1.5%, that is 560 rupees. Now come over here. Okay, I will. Okay, this is water and this will be your 10% contractor profit 3730. Okay, so we are calculating this work for 10 cubic meter of concrete work. So here we have to divide this by 10. So rate per cubic meter is, for 1 cubic meter RCC work we required 4167.75 Indian rupees. I think it is clear to you. Note, we have to calculate this only for the steel reinforcement work, not for the concrete work. Concrete work paid separately. Okay, for this question, I think it is clear. So again, I request you, if you are having any queries related to you this course, we are having uh, our Google Classroom, that is estimation and costing. Okay, you you post any query regarding what you understand and what problem that you are facing, how to calculate the quantity of steel, what is the criteria for the calculation, and how this lump sum and tools and plant machinery is calculated, how the quantities mazdoor is calculated. This all thing that make a group of your among yourself, that is your friends, and discuss with them. Okay, so in next lecture we will start for estimation of 25 thick cement concrete 1 is to 2 is to 4 dam proof course, DPC. Okay, before that you must know what is DPC, why we provide DPC, what is the functional requirement of DPC. You please have some basic knowledge of this. Okay, then we start. Okay, thank you.